What is up, y'all? I am out here today in the Holy Cross Wilderness. These woods are thick, definitely feels like a wilderness area. Setting off to do Mount of the Holy Cross, kind of tonight and tomorrow. Holy Cross itself is about 12 miles, 5,600 feet of gain. My plan is to hike on in tonight. I'm gonna hike in about 3 miles and camp at East Cross Creek. It's gonna take off about 1,000 feet of gain and give me a little 3-mile jump on the day tomorrow. I've really been wanting to kind of test out a nice little ultralight overnight backpack setup. I have yet to hit a 14er with a full pack, so this is gonna be one of those trips. Looking forward to hiking on in. I'll get set up. I've heard from the 3 groups of people that I have passed that 1, the mosquitoes are pretty bad, and they're flying all around me right now. But 2, that this is probably one of the most beautiful hikes that these people have ever been on. So no expectations, but from what I've seen and from what I've heard, it's gonna be a pretty spectacular time. Well, there's Notch Mountain. Beautiful evening. Wildflower check, columbines, Indian paintbrush. Well, I have topped out on my climbing for the day. So I got that first climb out of the way. Nothing crazy, a little shy of 2 miles on the climb, about 1,000 feet. Now I'm just making my way on down. Nice to have a little bit of downward trending trail for the rest of the day, basically, until I make it on down to the creek. This is some beautiful, lush wilderness area, and I'm just fortunate enough to be out here experiencing it. And that peak right there is Mount of the Holy Cross. Now, earlier on in the year, when there's still a little more snow, you can normally see a pretty distinct cross of snow on Mount of the Holy Cross, which is where it gets its name. Usually, I think you can see it most clearly from Notch Mountain, a little bit of a different angle. I know that over time, the right arm of the cross has also kind of eroded away a little bit. That is Mount of the Holy Cross. Little waterfall action right there. We're camping down in the bottom down here tonight. Headed on up in the morning, up those back slopes and on up there to the summit. looks like I have made it roughly to camp for the night. See, there's 10 designated sites. I'll probably grab some water, figure out which one of those spots I'm trying to stay in for the night. Site 1 is open, if anyone wants that one. Neat little find. Seen better days. So got the creek crossing right here behind me. Actually decided that I'm just going to cross on over in the morning. Doesn't seem too sketch. Should be able to ride that log right on across. But yeah, found a tent spot. Really nice spot. From camp, I get a look on up. That's Holy Cross right up there. Good little climb for in the morning. And these mosquitoes are gnarly. Absolutely gnarly. So anyway, I'm gonna keep moving. I'm gonna go ahead and get shelter set up. Well, shelter is set up for the night. Bug net should do a fine job of keeping the mosquitoes away, but they are definitely swarming. Checking this thing out. And I have some nice little sunset light here. Hitting Notch Mountain. Got Holy Cross right there. It's just a spectacular evening. Well, the birds are happy this morning. Looks clear up behind me there for Holy Cross. Got some storms to the north. It got battered with some rain last night. Pretty gnarly thunderstorms rolling through from like 3 until 4. It's about 5:45 right now. It stopped raining right around 4:30. Well, I was gonna get up at 4, but it was still raining. So got up around 4:30. Things have cleared up. Hope that storm's gonna stay to the north. Hope things will stay clear, and hoping for a pretty good day. So, as I'm getting started with this first climb of the day, got about 3,300 feet, over 2.5 miles or so. My watch just alerted me that I slept poorly last night and that I should try to get some rest today. I don't know about the rest part. I did sleep rather poorly. Probably got about 4 hours last night between that storm and couldn't fall asleep, and probably around 1 was starting to lightning. I got up to check and see what was going on. Kind of confused. It was lightning, but all the stars were out. I guess it was just some distant lightning that I was still getting flashes from, but it's kind of cool. Gotta get out of the tent, look up. Milky Way was kind of in alignment with Holy Cross, and lightning flashes all around. It's the first time I've experienced that. Now we're getting somewhere. Making my way up above tree line. There is Holy Cross. Gotta gain that ridge and then make the climb. Now, I take it that right there is why they call that Notch Mountain. All of this talus, these massive cairns. I'm really getting some Pyramid Peak vibes right now. A little lay of the land as I'm working my way up. Yesterday on that hike in, that was that initial ridge that was gained from that side. That would be the turnoff for Notch Mountain right there. I kind of continued on down that way and somewhere through here dropped on down, and camp is roughly, or was down in there last night. Still climbing. Cairns marking the way for me. Gotta work up a little bit further and I'll be swinging on around. It's cleared up. It is a gorgeous morning. No clouds to be wary of. I think it's gonna be a good day. Before the summit. Oh yeah. Mount of the Holy Cross. What a hike. Man. Some beautiful country with the lakes down there. Notch Mountain. Notch Mountain shelter out there. And I have the summit completely to myself, as far as I can tell. unless someone took this Halo Ridge route around this morning. One of the first people up here for the day. I am going to plan to hang out for a little while. There are no clouds in the sky to worry about. I think I'm gonna have the summit to myself for the foreseeable future. And yeah, throw on some sunscreen, eat some snacks, soak in all this beauty. Summit is in the rear view. I am working my way on down. Absolutely gorgeous time at the top. Trending downward. Back through the talus we go. Honestly, a beautiful ridge. Incredible walk through here. The views galore. No shortage of that. Back into the woods. It was nice spending a few hours up above tree line. Absolutely breathtaking panoramic views all around. Snow-covered peaks, some lakes, neighboring mountain ranges, 14ers I'm familiar with, some that I have yet to hit. Just absolutely awesome time. Beautiful East Cross Creek. Topped out on my climb. About to make my way down to the trailhead. There's one last good view west. So final thoughts on Holy Cross as I make my way back to the car. I really like Holy Cross Wilderness. This is just an absolutely beautiful wilderness area. You have lakes, waterfalls, a running creek, which is just fantastic with camping all around it. This mountain kind of is notorious for storms. I got hit last night. There's a big one yesterday. Probably be another one later today. Just always be prepared for that. If you're coming anytime right now in July, I imagine maybe even a little bit later on, mosquitoes are gonna be a pain in the ass. I literally couldn't sit down and eat dinner last night. I was walking around eating my burrito. So, you know, you got the little things like that that you need to keep in mind. Bring some layers, a little bug spray. But yeah, this is an absolutely incredible place. I will 100% be back. Oh, made it on back. Y'all, it's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. Take it easy. Stay happy, healthy, and well. Catch you guys on the next one.